So we decided to take a 2-day road trip to this amazing place called Lotus Eco Resort, which is in Dapoli, Maharashtra. This trip is just before Diwali and it's quite different because we are in this unexpected COVID times. And this would be the first time in a long time for us to get away from the city. The trip started from Airoli, Navi Mumbai. How far is it, Piyush?
I guess it's something like 240 kilometers from Navi Mumbai.
It's not very far because we did not want to go too far. We don't want to spend like the whole day driving. A road trip was essential because it's, you know, how stressful the times were for everyone, and Piyush was working constantly, with his restaurant. I was also working constantly. So this place is pretty new to us. We don't know. We have never been to Dapoli before. Have you been to Dapoli?
No.
We have only seen it through the pictures. It looks quite promising. And also the place that we are going to, the resort, that is what I'm really excited about as well, because that place looks fantastic. What did you think when you saw the place?
Yeah, it's right on the beach, so that's what we wanted to, unwind from our hectic schedules. So instead of staying in a room which is not on the beach, we prefer to be on the beach where you can go out and chill anytime you want to.
This is Piyush, and he's an amazing chef of this lovely place called West Coast Grill in Airoli. So it's just going to be two of us on this trip. Well, sometimes less is better, isn't it?
सीमेंट खत्म हो गया साहब सीमेंट संभला क्या करूं थोड़ा तो स्लोप तो देने का बचे हुए सीमेंट से
I know.
खत्म गोनी खत्म सीमेंट का उधर
We are about an hour and a half in almost in our drive. So the route that we're actually taking is, we are coming from the expressway from New Bombay. We got on the expressway and then we took the left from what is that? Imagica. Yeah, for Imagica, the road
the Imagica exit.
The roads are like not that great. As of now, it's fine, but the patch that we got back there was really, really bad. I hope that it doesn't stay like that. Otherwise, by the time we reach the place, I don't know. I think we should be in one piece, hopefully. Well, we barely made it in one piece. It's like this road is torturing me for information, Arey, what is happening, people? Shit, do you see what we are talking about? You need to see the struggle, of also reaching the place. And the place will be beautiful for sure, but then, the struggle is real.
This is not fog, this is dust. This is not fog.
We all keep moving forward through the struggle in the hopes that it'll all be worth it towards the end. But being in the moment and enjoying the journey is as important as the destination. So 142 kilometers, 3 hours, 35 minutes to go. And expected time is to reach around 12:30. But then we are going to take a halt for at least breakfast. Piyush has gotten some nice tuna, chicken and bread, so we're gonna make a sandwich. He got some tea also. We'll stop somewhere, someplace nice, and then we'll have some nice breakfast. No, we did not stop for breakfast as we were not really feeling very hungry. And the drive kept getting beautiful by the minute as we were moving close to Dapoli. So we just didn't feel like stopping. This is the reception area. It took us about, I think we left at what, 6:30. We are here at 12:30. So yeah, exactly what we estimated. We did not stop for breakfast, so that's why we reached here on the Google's estimated time. Okay, so we just checked in to Lotus Resort. Looks like a pretty nice place. There we go. This is our room. Okay. Wow, that's a big ass lock, man. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Not bad.
Oh,
Not bad at all. Wow.
wow is this? Wow.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. I forgot to tell you the price. The price we paid about how much did we pay in total? I mean, total we paid 7,000, but I think per night is
3,500.
3,500. Ah, per night is 3,500, which is not bad. Like seriously, it's quite decent for the price. Oh, nice. So this, wow, pretty big. So this is the other side of the room. This side, so the beach is over there, and this is the back area. So this entire place is the resort. Mr. Piyush had he was supposed to make sandwiches, right? As I told you in the morning, but he forgot the bread. Apparently, he has the chicken, the tuna, but the bread is not there. And since it's already like late now, and we reached the resort and we didn't stop for breakfast, we thought we'll have that as lunch. So now that's not happening. So I have an up.
Another bag! That's your chai.
So he just realized that the bread and the nachos were in the other bag. Yeah. Piyush, you really needed this break?
I know, man.
You actually needed this break.
Seriously.
Oh my god. Oh man, that feels so good. Since morning, this is the first meal. Piyush even got nachos, and he's like, can put that in between this and have it. So we'll have it for our second serve. But wow, good work. Good work, my man. I'll definitely put the recipe in the description. Amazing peace that I'm in right now. I cannot even describe the feeling. It's beautiful. The place is like so nice and quiet. It's very silent. Just the sound of the ocean at the back. Also, the thing is that it's too hot right now to go outside. We wanted to check the place out, see what's around, but then it's too hot right now. It's too sunny. I just wish the ocean was just a little closer, like maybe till here. Wow, this is amazing. Good morning, Piyush.
Good morning, good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good morning, people. From Dapoli Lotus Eco Lotus Resort. Always get confused with it, Lotus Eco or Eco Lotus. Well, we are on our way to the beach. The time right now is 7, 8? Is it 8 already?
10 past 8.
We got up, I think we got up at around 7:30. So this place has free breakfast, by the way, which is included in our package. So we're gonna have that. Check out how that is. Also, last night was fun. We came out because it was completely dark over here. So this is the restaurant area, by the way. So we came out and we were just checking the stars out. We're trying to take some star photography, but we still need to learn a lot, apparently. But we actually did capture really good footage from the phone that I'm vlogging from. Beach is so clean. Wow. Look at this intricate patterns on the. It looks so beautiful, man. Look at this. Wow. That is trippy. That's really trippy, man. So the mountains are like all the way from there, and then it goes on and on. Like if you see at the horizon, there's another like set of mountains right there as well. So after a beautiful start to the day, we headed back to the resort to have some breakfast. It was very simple but really nice. Alright, so what are you teaching me today?
There's nothing about teaching, it's just that you don't wait there buttering your toast. It's a buffet, alright?
Okay.
Just imagine virtually there are like 100 people standing behind you
But
to
there
get that piece of bread, and you are sitting there, standing there and putting butter.
But who's the nonsensical one who's imagining 100 people standing? There is absolutely no one. That is way unnecessary imagination. This resort had such a nice vibe. It really puts you in that complete relaxed mode where you do not want to leave this place at all. This is what we call chill max level. Towards the evening, we again headed out to the beach. Because can you get enough of that surreal sunset? Oh, they're mating, I think. Are they mating? Are they saving each other? What are they doing? They are on a roll. That's a baby one, right?
Ah, baby crab.
And there's a smaller one, I think, in between. See? So this is our last day over here, and we were just not ready to go back home. So we just got up in the morning, figured out what we have to do next, and we are quite excited. We'll reveal that soon. So while I was signing off from this place, I met these two amazing guys who work at Lotus Eco Resort. They were asking me if I was doing a vlog, and they were really nice enough to subscribe to the channel. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा आर्यन
आर्यन. और आपका?
मेरा केतन
केतन. तो क्या करते हैं आप लोग एग्जैक्टली? क्या क्या है यहाँ पे एक्चुअली?
ये जस्ट रोप कोर्स है सर.
हाँ.
यहाँ से मतलब स्टार्ट होता है.
ओके.
ये फर्स्ट वाला बर्मा ब्रिज है.
अच्छा.
स्पेस वॉक है.
ओके.
थर्ड स्विमिंग ब्रिज, पैरेलल रोप है.
ओके.
टायर ब्रिज एंड हेलीकॉप्टर.
ओह वाओ.
ये अलग अलग एक्टिविटी आती है. जिपलाइन भी है, टावर के ऊपर से छोड़ते हैं.
अच्छा.
रूम से ना वहाँ तक.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ कल मैंने देखा था उधर से. राइट राइट राइट. ओके. Archery and gunshots. Very nice, yeah. Chalo, thank you. Bye. I mean, one thing I really like about this place is the people over here are so humble and so polite. One of the best, like, services that we have gotten, from the attitude wise to everything else, you know.
If it's your last day on the planet Earth, I want to be here.
Right, right.
Spend that day on the beach doing nothing.
Yeah. It's like as always, I really do not want to leave. But you know, I'm so happy we made the next day plan. I mean, I cannot tell you how, like, our plan was just so, like, spontaneous, but it was needed, man. I think that was really needed, because we were not ready to just go back home yet. Like, the movie is not yet over. Bye bye beach. Until next time.